Hello friend, long time no see. So finally we got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G here, and I just got two S20 here. One is black and another is gray. So I will show you guys here in this video. And actually this is a one-by-one clone Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And I got the box. Although the box is not original, it's a clone box for the moment. But we will have the original box with original accessories later, maybe a couple of weeks. So don't worry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead to unbox this S20. Okay, so as you can see, this is the box for the S20 Galaxy Ultra 5G, and here we can see some IMEI sticker. We have the original IMEI sticker, so this is for US version, and also we have the EU version. So don't worry about the version. We have the US version, EU version, and the international version. It's up to you guys which version you like. Okay, let's unbox them. Okay, so before it ships, we make the box sealed with this plastic bag, so it looks like brand new for you guys to sell it. Very nice. Okay. Wow, it's really nice. Okay, let's take them out. Alright, so this is a gray S20, and I think this one should be the black one. Yes, this is the black one. And okay, let's go ahead to check the accessories first. Accessories, we got the use manual and the charger. This is the US charger, and here we got the charging cable, and here is the earphones tuned by AKG. It seems like original, and the box will be better later on, so don't worry about this. Alright, so this is the box, and let's check the phones here. And this is the most important. Okay, there's a phone. Let's peel it off. Alright. Guys, this is the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And I got one black and one gray. Both of them very nice. And let's see the front. And this button. And the button, it only has the Type-C slot. Okay, let's turn them on. Okay guys, it says Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Yes, also have the Samsung boat here. It's the same like original. Really nice. Alright, let's come to the home menu. The screen for this S20 Ultra is really nice, and this is the best version in the market right now, and I always get the best version. because I know that the best version should be very fast, very good to save them. And this is 6.8 inch full screen with a punch hole in the top, and in the bottom we have some Type-C charging port, and also for the AKG earphone port slot, you can see. And in the back, this is the 108 megapixels camera, and this is very significant for this S20 Ultra. Very nice. Okay guys, I need to tell you some specification for this Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's MediaTek, or you can call it MTK 6580 quad-core with 1 GB RAM and 8 or 16 GB ROM. It's up to you guys. We have two versions. One is 1 GB RAM and 8 GB ROM, and another is 1 GB RAM and 6 GB ROM. It's up to you, and the price is a bit different, but you can use them very well. Okay, and I mean the software is the same. I mean, guys, you can have a look. The software is the same. It's Android 10.0. Yes, it's the newest Android version. And let's check the camera here. Focus and take a picture. Yeah, like this. So, yes, let's talk about the camera. The back camera is 12 megapixels here, and the front camera is 8 megapixels. Although it's a bit different from the original, but the camera for this Chrome S20 Ultra is just good enough. Also, let's check the telephone calls. And let's check the sound quality for this S20 Ultra. Alright, the telephone call is made and the sound quality is very clear. So no problem for you guys to make telephone calls or send message with this Chrome S20 Ultra. And let's check the internet. We need to connect Wi-Fi here. Yes, another want to tell you guys is 5G here in the here it's 5G, but it's actually fake 5G. It's only 3G. But we make it show 5G like original, so you guys can sell it better. Okay, I need to connect my Wi-Fi and show you guys the internet with this S20 Ultra.
Given just how many animal videos we put out, I'm guessing you realize how much we do love animals on this channel. There are absolutely tons of videos about them, and you should check them out if you haven't done so. But if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to see 10 cute baby animals that you just need to pet. We decided to go ahead and take up the liberty and went ahead and searched for as many baby animals as we could. And we came up with this list that will absolutely melt your heart. So let's go and explore some different corners of the world.
Okay, so there's no problem for you guys to surf the internet with this S20 Ultra. So actually this S20 Ultra is really nice, and I got the best version. So if you guys are interested in this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, please contact me for further information. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you next time.